Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save on Etsy fees with Share and Save program. Now, do you want to reduce your Etsy fees legally and increase your profit margins? In today's video, I'll show you how to Share and Save program works and how to use it strategically. Now let's follow these few simple steps. Before we do that, first thing you want to do is to know what is Share and Save. Now, Share and Save allows you to earn a fee discount when buyer purchase through your unique referral link. Now, to be able to save on Etsy fees with the Share and Save program, you're gonna follow these few simple steps. First thing is to open your shop manager. Make sure you type in etsy.com, access the Etsy website, and then in your shop right here, once you click on the option Become a Seller, you're gonna click on your shop manager. Now, to set up your shop manager, you have to enter some details like your shop preferences, your shop name, the payment method, your credit card, etc. And once you finish setting up all these informations, you're gonna access your shop, and then you're gonna click on marketing. You're gonna select marketing, then you're gonna look for share and save. Now, once you look for the share and save section and find it, you're gonna get your unique link. Now, Etsy generates a personalized referral link for your shop or listing. So after that, you're gonna share that link, post it on Instagram, you can post it on TikTok, Pinterest, email, newsletter, etc. And that's it. Now, always use share and save link in bio links and promote during product launches and combine with limited time discounts. And when customers purchase through the link, you may receive reduced transaction fees. Also, check your eligibility inside your dashboard, as availability may vary by region. And that's how you save on Etsy fees using Share and Save program. Small fees reduction can make a big difference in long-term profitability. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.